All right, let's do a tutorial on MetaTrader. Okay, so this is MT4, but if you're using MT5, it will be very similar. But I just advise you use MT4. It's slightly simpler. Okay. All right. So once you open the MT4 app, this is the screen you're going to see. All right. So this is called the quote screen. You can see down here. There's a tab. There's a menu tab here. It has this quote screen, the charts, the trade screen, the history, the news, and then messages. Okay, so we'll go through these, anything that is useful, go through them one by one. All right, so this quote screen now shows all the currency pairs. All right, their bid price, their ask price. Then you see where they write low and high. That low and high is the low of the day, that is the lowest price on that particular day, and then the high is the highest price on that particular day. So let's say for GBP USD, for example, the low of today, this is 2 a.m. The low since the market opened today is 1.19091, while the highest price that's gone to today is 1.19305. Okay, and then also shows the spread. The spread is showing me 0. That means there's no difference between the bid price and the ask price. Okay, mind you, if you swipe um to the left, it takes you to the chart screen for any currency pair that you swipe on. Okay, while if you swipe to the right, it takes you to the trade screen. Most people don't know that, but I'm a genius. All right, so um that's basically it for what you see here. So this is the advanced view mode. If I click on anyone, I can choose a simple view mode, which I sometimes prefer. It just makes it easier on my eyes. All right, so I can choose a simple view mode too. But then I'm feeling like the advanced today. So now let's look up to this place now. You can see this plus and this pencil icon. All right, so this plus icon is to add new quote. You can see when I highlight it, it says add down on the bottom, while this pen is to edit. So add means to add new currency pairs or assets, while edit means to edit what is actually here, remove some or rearrange it. So that's what editing is. All right, so if I go to add, I can choose from forex, crypto cross, or anything that the broker offers. All right, so the things you see here will depend on what your broker offers. All right, so I can just click on crypto, see what is there. I can say, okay, I want to trade BNB. Okay, so if I go down to my screen now, I can see BNB chart right there. Okay, so I can look at BNB and place a trade on BNB. So that's basically it. Okay, while if I click edit, here, I would see all the currency pairs that are currently on my quote screen. All right, so I can choose to delete them by selecting this delete icon on top. Then I select the one that I don't want to see anymore. All right, and once I'm done with it, once I select the ones I don't want to have on my screen again, I just press delete and they'll be gone. As you can see, the BNB is no longer there. All right, or I can arrange it in order of preference. Maybe I prefer Euro USD, I can put it to the top. Or maybe I've been trading and then some of my trades are down, I can just put that one that is relevant to the top, something like that. So you can rearrange it, and then once you are done, you see that it will take the new form that you've put it in. So that is basically arranging this area. They also have a chart screen. Okay, so this first sign here is the crosshair. So if I click it, it will enable me to see number one, the price at a particular point. So price at this point is 105.22, 105.228 to be specific, while the time and date is 4th of July 2022, 8 p.m. Okay, so that's the basic details for this area. Okay, so I think the time will be different from your time. All right, so this time is usually GMT. Okay, I think so. I think it's usually GMT. Yeah, it should be, but I'm not too sure. and then this F is basically your indicators. We won't use indicators a little, we won't use indicators that much, but there are indicators out there in case if you want to use them. I don't use indicators. There are some traders that use indicators, but if you use indicators, you can come here. Let me say I select stochastic and press done. I can see the stochastic indicator down here. Alright, but I don't use it, so I'll just go back there. Look at the delete icon up here. I click it, select the stochastic and delete it. Alright, so and there's this dollar symbol. This dollar symbol is to change the chart you're looking at. Right now I'm looking at the DXY chart, that is US dollar index. That's what is called DXY. It shows the strength of the US dollar. Alright, so I can switch it from DXY to, by clicking on this dollar sign, I can switch it to Euro USD to change my chart. I can switch it to GBP. I can switch it to GBP JPY. I can switch it to gold, anything I like. Alright, so that's how that one works. That's how that one works. And then there's this time. This time means your time frame. So 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, monthly time frame, daily time frame, etc. Okay, I hope we all get that. Yeah, and then this place is for me to trade new order. So if I want to take an order on gold, I can, for example, just buy, let me say sell gold. Okay, says trade is disabled, so I'll skip that. Let me see if I can try selling something else. Let me see, sell this guy. Oh wow, have a problem with this broker. Okay, but then that is where you place an order. So there's market execution, there's buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So there are 5 types of orders here. So market execution means to buy immediately at where the price currently is. Buy limit is to buy when the price falls down to a certain price. So you want to buy cheaper than the price is right now. You set a buy limit, and once price goes down to where you want to buy, so let me say the price is at $1 and you want to buy at $0.8. Okay, so once you set your buy limit, if price ever gets down to $0.8, you will be placed in a buy trade. Okay, your sell limit is the opposite. If price rises to a certain price, you sell there. Okay, so you want to sell at a higher price. Your buy stop is if you want to buy at a higher price. So you want price to rise up to a particular point, then you buy. While your sell stop is the opposite of buy stop, where you sell when price falls to a particular price. You can listen to this again and then write it down. But I think I would probably create or send you guys a video on these different type of orders. Okay, so that is over with. This place is where you select your lot size. So this is 0.01 lot size. I can change it to 0.25 lot size, for example. So I'll be earning $2.5 per pip. All right, so that is it. This place shows the bid price and this is showing the ask price. So as it's fluctuating, you know what the price is and you know whether you still want to buy or whether you would not take the trade anymore. So this place is where you put your stop loss. So now the price is at 1.0186. I can say my stop loss if I want to buy here now. Market execution, I want to buy right now. I can see my stop loss will be at 1.018 or 75. Okay, and then my take profit will be here. I'll say my take profit is 1.025, so I can buy. Okay, so this is basically everything in the trade screen. This place is to increase the price, reduce the price, increase the lot size, reduce the lot size, depending on what you want. Then this place is to change what you want to trade, just like on the chart screen. You can also change what you want to trade on the trade screen. So I can switch to trading GBP JPY, for example. Okay, for example, so that's just basically what it is. So once I click buy or sell, I'll be placing a trade. Right now I think I have not provided this broker with additional details about myself, so they're not allowing me place trades. Okay, so but then if you place trades, your trade will be put and you will see the trade here. Okay, see the trade here. So let's go to what these things mean. These things here, you can see balance, equity, free margin. Balance means the amount of money you have in your account. Okay, that is the last time you close the trade. What was the balance? The balance of money you have in your account. Your equity is your balance plus or minus your current profit or loss. So if I have this 100,000 now, and then I'm in a profit of 1,000, my equity will be 100,000, 101,000, pardon me. But if I'm in a loss of 1,000, my equity will be 99,000. So it will show you what your account balance will be if you close your running trades. Okay, so your balance will not change until you close your running trades. So that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. Your free margin is what is still available for you to place trades. For example, if I've placed a lot of trades, okay, each trade costs money. Okay, so let's say I open 5 trades and it costs me $1,000 to open those 5 trades, or it costs me $10,000 to open those 5 trades. Then my free margin will now be $90,000. So I only have $90,000 left to open new trades. Okay, so that's what free margin is. So that's basically what these three things mean. So this place is to have a new order, go back to this trade screen. Then this place is to I think I need to show you guys how it looks when you are trading. How it looks when you are trading. But you can just check YouTube for that. I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to put on that tutorial up. Alright, so this place, if you close your trades, this is where you find all the trades. I've not placed any trade on this account, this new demo account. So once you place trades, you're going to see them organized here. That's what this history part is for. Alright. The news and messages is not really your cup of tea. Just ignore those ones. And then when you come here, that's these 3 lines up here. You can see this screen. Alright. You can see this area. And go to manage accounts, add an account if you like. So you can open a demo account here on MetaTrader, find a broker and open the demo account. Or you can log into an existing account. So first of all, you have to find your broker. Alright. So if you find a broker, for example, this XNet broker, you can put in your login. Your login is a combination of numbers, and put in your password and then sign in. As long as you put the correct login and the correct password, you'll be signed into that account, and then you can access whatever funds you have on that account. Okay, so um, I think that was basically the end of this tutorial on how to use MetaTrader for Android devices. So yeah, that will be all.